Behind the spicy green pepper, surprising facts about the green chili pepper skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Check out what's on this plate. The little green chili pepper is always present on the dinner table, a loyal companion to fried foods, and the star of chili sauce. Yes, it's the green chili pepper. Look, the skin is very green, but it looks like there's light green and dark green between the green chili skin. But have you ever wondered if she's really as small and raw as she appears? What's the secret behind her tongue-searing spiciness? And most importantly, what is he really hiding under that thin green skin? Today, we'll take a detective journey to uncover all the mysteries of the green chili pepper, from the garden to the microscope to its effects on our bodies. Get ready to be surprised, because the facts are far more interesting than you might imagine. The first question that is often misunderstood is this an unripe chili? The answer is no. Here's one of the most surprising facts. The green chili peppers we eat aren't baby chilies. They're mature, fully ripe varieties, still in their green hues. Just as humans are born with blonde hair, some chilies mature green. If left for longer, some will turn red, but dark green is the peak of freshness for consumption. Unlike its cousin, the large red chili, the green one is still young. So why is it so small? It's not due to malnutrition. It's a feat of natural design. Its small size is a genetic trait, characteristic of the Capsicum frutescens species. The fruit grows upward, as if challenging the sun, filled with seeds that give it a firm, hard feel. Nature created it small, but full of weapons. Well, if it already has spicy weapons, that means it's safe from pest attacks, right? Hey, make no mistake, this is the paradox of the cayenne pepper. The spicy compound, called capsaicin, is actually an evolutionary strategy to ward off fruit-eating mammals and prevent the seeds from being destroyed. But nature isn't perfect. Insects and fungi are immune. Caterpillars and aphids casually nibble on the leaves and fruit, and its main enemy, the fungus patek or anthracnose, can cause rot at the tips of the fruit and destroy the harvest. So, the spiciness isn't meant to be against all creatures. It's specifically for us humans. And regarding the skin, is it spicy? Can it be eaten right away? The answer is yes. Capsaicin is distributed throughout the fruit's flesh, including near the skin. And yes, after washing it thoroughly, the skin can be eaten raw as a side dish. That's the magic. Now, we get to the heart of the mystery. What treasures are hidden beneath this thin green skin? This is the nutritional secret of the mighty little one. First, vitamin C. Make no mistake, the vitamin C content in green chili peppers can surpass that of oranges. 100 grams contains approximately 84 milligrams of vitamin C, which almost meets our daily needs. It's the primary antioxidant defense against free radicals. Secondly, there's capsaicin itself. Beyond its heat, it's a hero with two sides. On the plus side, capsaicin can relieve pain by diverting pain signals in the nerves, aiding the body's metabolism, and even potentially inhibiting the growth of certain cancer cells, according to some preliminary studies. Third, dietary fiber and minerals. The skin and flesh provide fiber for digestion and minerals like potassium, which are good for maintaining blood pressure. Imagine, this one little fruit is a mini nutrient factory. But remember, like all heroes, its power must be used wisely. So, what are the benefits for our bodies? When consumed in moderation, it can be a friend to your heart, metabolism, and immune system. But here's an important message to remember. The dose makes the poison. What are the effects of frequent consumption? Excessive consumption can burn the stomach, cause acute ulcers, burning diarrhea, and irritation of the digestive tract. It is not suitable for people with certain conditions. Who should be careful or avoid it? First, those with ulcers/gastritis and GERD. Capsaicin can irritate the already sensitive stomach lining. Second, people with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), as it can trigger recurrent stomach pain and diarrhea. Third, those with sore throats or tonsillitis, as the spiciness will worsen the irritation. So get to know your body. Enjoy spiciness as a spice to life, not as a main course. This little green guy teaches us one thing. Be things that seem simple and even painful at first often hold profound complexity and benefits. But the key is wisdom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next science and culinary adventure. See you in the next video. Stay curious and stay healthy.